Alright, who's ready to go ride? Oh, no, I am. Got my headphones in. Cooler full of water and all this fun I get to go have. So let's go have it. Puddle number one. This anyway, because I gotta give it a pretty good shakedown. So then I never really run these things. See what she can do through this little mud. Yeah, there's a reason why I wore these boots today, boy. Now that we're through that, I don't really know where to sit on this thing. It's so damn small. Can I go this way now? Probably not. Maybe? These holes aren't that deep. Oh. That one is. You should be able to go right through that. Yeah, see, the holes used to be just this. See, now this sucks being by yourself. That looks fun. You know what? I will. Wow. This is so different. I guess I'm not going to do a donut. Getting too much traction. Oh hell, it's not even bad. Actually, that looks hella wet. It's like a mud hole right before it. I miss mine so bad.
Yeah, they're different.
What year are those? Like 84s?
This is an 84, the big red one or whatever, and that one's the 85 SX, like the sport utility one, the 250.
Nice. Yeah, I definitely miss three-wheelers. Hell yeah, you guys have fun.
Hey, you too, man. It's nice to meet you. You take care.
Nice to meet you. I think I'm gonna set the camera up right there. I got stuck right at the beginning. Right at the beginning. This whole trail system's crazy. I haven't been here for almost a year and a half. So far she's doing good, just trucking. No problems, actually. No noises, no nothing. Runs like a dream. Yeah, I can definitely tell you that if you are on a budget and you find one on Facebook for cheap, get a Bayou. Now I will say this, grab a winch. You know, a winch would definitely made me feel a lot better about going through some of the stuff that I had to go through, and I would have went through a lot more stuff if I would have had a winch with me. The only reason it looks clean is, you'll see, I went through a huge section of a creek, and it got pretty deep. So it kind of like washed everything away, which kind of sucks because this thing was a lot dirtier, but you know, it's less I have to clean at the end of the day. You don't need no Can-Am 1000. It'd be nice. I mean, I would never argue with having a Can-Am 1000, but as far as having a four-wheeler, it's definitely worth it. And this one is definitely worth it. I don't have any regrets about the trade that I did. Everything's performed perfectly. These tires are way better than I thought they would ever be. I mean, first is kind of like your go-to gear when you climb, but if you climb at speed, second, third. I hit 35, 37 miles an hour is what this thing tops out at. So, you know, it's not going to win any drag races, but it's definitely more than capable. It's not as big as other quads and all that. You know, it doesn't have the ground clearance and everything, but what makes up for that is the narrow, the width and the short wheelbase means that I can go a lot more places and just tuck in. And I don't have to fight as hard. And I did get it stuck a couple times. And I'm going to tell you right now, having this light of a four-wheeler, amazing. You just pick it up. Just pick it up and pull it out of places. I mean, I still want a winch. Don't get me wrong. there is some stuff that I'm going to have to go through eventually, and I'm going to really wish I had it, so I'm just going to put it on. And I can't believe I'm saying this because I'm not a Kawasaki guy at all. Next to my Yamaha three-wheeler, I would definitely prefer this over the three-wheeler. Even though the three-wheeler could go through more stuff, but other than that, this thing's awesome. I've had a good time all day on it. Just figured I'd showcase it a little bit and get it out there. Now, we are planning on doing a Bayou off, because Colin has like 2. John just picked up one, and so I'm thinking when the boys come up to get the rattle van, maybe we go and do a 3-on-3 kind of test and see who's got the better build, who's got the most reliable Bayou. Yeah, it should be pretty fun. It'll be a hell of a video, I'll tell you that. 3 Bayous bashing through the woods. But yeah, that'll be it for now. See you later.